Well, hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to swatch out the polishes that Miss Becky sent me in my nail mail. I have one from IMK Colors and this one is called Gilded Olivine. And I'm going to swatch it first since it's on its own. We will come back and do another coat of this one here in just a little bit once it dries down a little bit. But I figured I would start with it. That is so pretty. Yes. Okay, so the rest of these are all from Beauty Big Bang. I have 5 Chameleon Polishes and a bunch of thermal polishes and a couple hollows. Now for the Chameleon Polishes, you guys know if I'm dealing with Chameleon, Chrome, Mermaid, stuff like that, I like to do it over black. So this first one is called 001. Ooh, they got crazy with the name, didn't they? So we're going to go in with this one. And this is definitely blue to green to purple. Oh, look how pretty. Oil Slick City. And this next one is called, well, it's not called, it's 006. Heavens to Betsy's. And this is the flaky stuff. Look how insane these look. Beauty Big Bang rocks that. I'm telling you. The next one is 008. Ooh, I love these. Oh, wow. Look how pretty. Got green, blue, purple, oh, magenta. Oof. The next one is 010. Oh, wait. Look at that. Gold, orange, green, blue. Ooh. Now this last one doesn't have a number on the bottom of it. I have no idea what it is. But if you go look at their Chameleon Flakies, you might be able to figure it out. This one is crazy blue and purple and fuchsia and red maybe. I don't know. It's coming off with all kinds of colors. I am in love with all of them. Love, love them. So I'm going to get these closed up and the thermals popped open and we'll be right back. Alrighty, here we go with the Beauty Big Bang thermals. And we're going to start with number 13. Oh my gosh. I will do second coats of the thermals, top coat them, and then at the end I'll show you the color change. Ooh wee. So that's 13. Next we have 14. Oh wow. Look at that. Oh goodness. Purple with some blue shimmer. Got like a little fuzzy or something in there. I'll leave that be. The next one is 16. And I can tell you, I don't know which one it is, but one of them has like that kind of stronger smell. I'm betting it's that one. That bluish purple. Sometimes that blue pigment they use to make them just, gets to you. So that one is 16. Next we have 17. Oh, that's pretty. If I can get enough polish on the brush. There we go. Oh, that's so pretty. The next one is 18. Might need some thinner for this one. Just get a little thick after a while. And then 19. Being stingy with the polish again, y'all. Okay, so there's 18. And finally we have 19. It's kind of like a denim blue. It's definitely going to need some thinner in this one. Oh, that's so pretty though. So like I said, I will definitely do second coats of all of them and put top coat on them. And at the end of the video, I will show you the color change. Alrighty, the last two polishes in this video are going to be the two hollows from Beauty Big Bang. I need to look at the number. Goofy girl done jumped ahead herself. This is 004. It's a gold hollow. And then the last one is a 010, and it's like a red hollow. Very, very pretty. So, I will do all of my second coats and come back in the end and we'll go over them again. Alrighty, I am back. I've top coated second coats on. I didn't do second coats on the chameleons right here. I did on the one solid one right there. Look at that craziness. It's like a June bug. Okay, so I want to show you the polishes real quick. This was the colors, and this one was called Gilded Olivine. It's stunning. And then I didn't keep everything in order. Okay, this is the chameleon that was 001. So pretty. And then let me get these chameleons out so I can get them right. This next one here, look at that. God, they're gorgeous. This is 006 right here. Oh. And then the purpley blue one. Is that one that? I think this one's this one. This is the one that didn't have a sticker. No, so that's the last one. Okay. So I think this one belongs. Yes, 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 yes. That one belongs with that. That's 008. And then this next one with the green and blue and gold and orange. Oh, this one's 010. And then the one with no number. Okay, now I have pulled out the cold water and hot water so we can see which ones of these are changing, and we'll see what they change into. This first one we're going to test is this pink with the gold shimmer in it, and it was 013. Here's the bottle, and we're going to go dip it into the cold. Well, I can't dip very far because these are on mill wheel. Well, that don't look like it changed it very much, if any. I'm going to dip it down into the hot. There we go. There's where the magic's happening. Look at that. Oh, love. Oh, you guys know I'm a sucker for these kind of polishes. Next, we've got this number 014, and I'm going to stick it in the hot too because I could already see it was changing. And look at that. Can y'all see that on the... Oh. And when I put it back in the cold. So these are, it got a little darker in the cold. So I'm thinking the most reactive. Now this one I wasn't 100% convinced was a thermal, but I can already tell it is changing. It does change. It goes more silvery on the tip. So that was 016. This next one's stunning already with the change going on. But we're going to give it its full shake. So there we go. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh my gosh. 117 is that one. And this next one, ripping gorgeous. It's ripping. Look at that. Oh my gosh. And that one is number 118. Okay, this next one is 119, and we'll give it its fair shake down in the water. So pretty. Oh. And then the next one we have is, sorry, the battery died again. So down into the hot water we go with the last of the thermals. And look, that's like a dusty purple in that blue. I'm loving that. That is 020. So that is it for the thermalness. So these all reacted. Well, you got to remember, it's cool in my house. So I don't know if that plays any bearing on it, but they all changed in the hot water for sure. Okay, next we've got the Gold Hollow, which was 004. That is so pretty. Look at, oh, love. And then the Red Hollow. So nice. And this is 101. So those are all of the like regular polishes that Miss Becky sent me. If Miss Becky's watching, thank you so much. You can see I'm just already, I hadn't even gotten to, you know, really test drive these. Now, I did wear one of these. I think it was this one. I think I did this one just recently too. So guys, look forward to me wearing these all very soon. I'm going to leave everything out for as long as I can to try to work my way through. I mean, it's massive. So I'm going to try to work my way through all these goodies and show y'all what I'm doing with them and, you know, ideas that I come up with it. So again, thank you, Miss Becky. I appreciate it. I love, love, love everything. And that is it for today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed the swatches. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you like. Do you like thermals or flakies or duochrome, multi-chromes, hollows? What's your favorite jam? I'd love to hear from you. So that is it. Until next time, be good to yourself. Talk to you soon. Bye.